Namaste, welcome to India. Living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you. What is this? Is it like naan? Chana masala. Is that a soup? Okay. Putting maple syrup into my bacon and pancakes. Guys, this breakfast is to die for. Alright gang, I'm actually stepping out. OOTD. I don't have a mirror, but my fridge actually has a mirror, as you can see. So this is my look, as you can see. Let's go out. Outfit, OOTD. Out we go. Guys, look at this outfit. This is so cool. Is your mustache real? It's real? Ah, guys, look at this outfit. Okay, let's do a selfie. I'm just gonna take a picture. I am in need of coffee. Coffee is needed right now because I am feeling tired. I am feeling tired. We are on our way to just go see some monuments. And then we are going to then head into the city. Do you think do you know anywhere I can buy coffee?
Yeah.
Coffee. I need coffee. Feeling sleepy. In English we say beautiful.
Beautiful.
Is that what you mean? Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Your face is beautiful. Okay.
I'm a model.
No depend is color. Your face is depend.
Oh, I'm a model. You know, model. Me, picture model. I'm a model. That's why I'm pretty.
Your face is beautiful.
Is it shukra? You say thank you, shukra.
Shukriya.
Sukra, sukra Umed, sukra.
It's $12.
$12 for a Punjabi.
2 pieces.
For two?
1 and 2. Trouser and this.
So
Trousers and top. $12. 12
okay.
like a pound.
I think I quite like the
Yellow one.
The yellow is pretty.
See the here.
It looks like it goes well with my skin.
Yeah. This
Is another yellow one. 3/4. So cute.
See, you like yellow?
Yeah, I do. I actually like this one at the bottom. This first one you showed me. Do you guys do it like with a head wrap?
I like your hair.
Like this, like a little light scarf to put on your heads? Do you
And
do
this
it
is like a 3-piece. And this is
pretty.
30 pound.
Okay.
Because of this is embroidery here. Okay, and this is scarf.
Okay.
And one like this. I wanna see you try it.
So this is called a Punjab, you said?
Nice color.
Thank you. This is a Punjab.
Okay, your side.
Thank you. I think I just need my little headscarf now. So just put a headscarf.
So why don't you
I'm going to the temple. Oh, I like it.
see? So pretty.
Oh. So if I'm going to the temple,
You have to show your hat.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
Namaste. Oh, look at
That's
this
what
color.
stunning, stunning.
I like this. I love it.
So
I don't like
I'm
it.
gonna-
I don't like it.
Do you like it?
Love it.
Oh,
You do one thing.
I think I might go out like this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pack your
I'm
outside.
gonna go out dressed like this.
Yes.
Super.
Guys, I'm gonna go out dressed like this.
Beautiful.
Okay. That's my outfit.
Okay, of the OTT.
OTT. So love the customer service here. Just been shopping. Cheers, and I'm having my coffee. Just bought my outfit, and I've got complimentary coffee whilst I wait to do my payment. Coffee's nice.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Thank you.
मुझे क्या कहोगी सोचा था मैंने तुम आ रही थी आंखें मिला के तुम मुझे क्या कहोगी सोचा था मैंने तुम आ रही थी
Right, guys, so we've just left a place called Delhi Haat, and they sell fabrics. They can make garments for you on the day. And so, for example, right now it's like 4 p.m. So if I was to choose a fabric and choose a design, they can literally make my outfit and have it delivered to my hotel by like evening time. And I've just bought this outfit. This is just a ready-made outfit. I do kind of feel like it's a bit so I paid 4,000 rupees for this, which is equivalent to 40 pounds. Although, however, I did think that in the market I could have got it at a different price, but Umed, my guide, was just saying that it's actually probably because of the quality. That's why I paid that much. But yeah, was I ripped off, or was that the right price? If anyone you know has been to India, or you go to India quite a lot, 4,000 rupees for this. What do you think? Welcome to India Gate. Gate of India. I think I've heard of that.
Gate of India is Bombay.
Okay.
This one, India Gate.
What's the difference? India Gate, Gate of India. India Gate, Gate of India. What's the difference?
Depends.
Let's go and have a look. Okay, I've got this. How hard can this be, guys?
हाँ उधर ही ला रहा हूँ मैं.
Okay. So parking.
सब भी है ना.
He's just leaving me and it's fine. Okay.
This one subway. अच्छा ये यहाँ से है क्या? इधर से इस साइड.
Okay. And then
there subway underground.
okay, underground. You parking here?
No. ये their side में. Right.
You're parking
Yeah.
over there, right side. I'll come find you. Okay, see you in a second.
Parking one.
Guys, so not my tour guide, literally just saying to me, oh, just cross the road. It's alright. No, I'm okay. I'm okay.
No, 1 minute print out only.
Oh,
1
it's
minute.
okay.
Good pictures, ma'am.
I'm a photographer myself.
problem.
I take good
Like
pictures.
your cell phone transfer, soft copy, with a very small price.
How much?
100 rupees, ma'am, only. Your cell phone transfer. Camera the click, your cell phone transfer. Soft copy.
Oh,
Come this
okay.
way.
Go on then. Let's go take a picture. Guys, this is why I literally, when I travel, I end up doing silly stuff like this, and I end up paying for everything and anything and dashing money everywhere. Okay. So we're taking a picture over there. Okay.
And this is the, ma'am, here side, the PM house, Parliament. This is.
Oh, Parliament House over there. Okay. Hello, you're right.
Come here.
Oh, okay. My driver has literally been holding my hand this whole time, and this one time he's asked me to cross the road and go see the India Gate and find him in a random car park over there. I'm a bit nervous, but you know what? It's not the first time I've done this solo stuff. Okay, so where are we having the picture? here, and we want to capture that. Okay, guys, I don't know.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's see.
The first one, the forgetful, close up, the back, side, close up, touch India Gate.
Okay.
Listen to go and touch India Gate.
Yep.
The win India Gate. Namaste India.
Namaste.
Sitting is the win.
Yeah.
The back photo is the full. Back is the half.
Yeah. Let me do 5. I'll only take 5. So
okay, just a minute.
help me choose 5 pictures and I just take 5.
Okay, 9
That's
picture,
all.
no problem. 9 picture, you 7 picture is the pay. 2 photo discount.
No,
okay?
no. I'll just do 5.
2 for your gift, ma'am.
No.
2 for your gift.
No.
Free, no charge. Yeah,
So-
9 picture, all is the 9.
Photo is 100 rupees.
Yes. The 9 picture, 900, no 900. All piece for 700.
No. You said picture is 100 rupees.
Yes.
When I arrived,
Yes.
you said a picture is 100 rupees.
100 rupees. The 9 picture, ma'am. The 9 for no 9 pay. Only 7 pay.
Sorry, that's my budget. Or I won't take any
budget is
picture.
even less,
I won't take any pictures.
Okay, 600 final. 9 pics,
I want to
600.
pay for 500. 5 pictures for 500.
600, all 4. All pick your 600. Okay?
No. 5 pictures 500. Just 500.
All for 600.
No. 5 pictures 500. That's my budget.
Okay.
Yeah.
मुझे क्या कहोगी सोचा था मैंने तुम आ रही थी आंखें मिला के तुम मुझे क्या कहोगी सोचा था मैंने तुम आ रही थी आंखें मिला के तुम मुझे क्या कहोगी
Hello, India. Namaste. Welcome to India. Living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you. It's Umed in the mix of Umed. We finally got the tuk-tuk. I was dying to get into a tuk-tuk, so thank you, Ahmed, for taking me onto the tuk-tuk. So we are off to the market. Apparently you can't park in the markets in the center, so you have to take a tuk-tuk. So that's the one we're on right now, and we are off to the market. We parked at the, what building? Where did we park?
Radford.
Radford.
Radford to Chandni Chowk market.
Okay, so we parked at Radford, and then from here we're gonna go to the markets. I can't wait. Are we gonna eat some food in the market? Local Indian food.
Local Indian food.
Local Indian food. I'm here for it. We're looking for food, local Indian food. So my guide is just out there negotiating, trying to figure out where we're gonna get food. And I think he said this area, did you say this is Old Delhi, this market? Umed, did you say this is Old Delhi, the market?
Chandni Chowk.
Chandni Chowk.
Yeah.
Chandni Chowk market, Old Delhi. So 9 people live here and they're Buddhists.
Buddhist people living here is 150 old. It's a Haveli.
150?
Inside, yes.
Wow.
It's 7 generations is living here.
Do they ever come out, the Buddhists? They come out?
Yes, I know. Come out, you're looking around, going to bazaar.
That's so cool. It's so colorful. Everything is full of color. Okay, so chuli bachuli,
This is kachori.
kachuri.
Kachori.
Okay,
This is also samosa.
samosa. All right,
Dosa. This is very little chili.
chili. Oh, okay. I want to try this. Does this have meat?
Yeah, this is very dal. This is mix is your dal.
Okay, I'll try this. I will try samosa.
Yes, one samosa, one kachori.
ना ना
So what's the name of this in Indian?
Patata.
Potata.
Patata. Spicy.
So it's like spicy potato. But guys, there's something about the flavor that's so good.
This is patata to spicy. This is your kachori.
What seasoning is in here? The seasoning is nice. Whatever seasoning they use is nice. Oh wow. I'm even sweating. They're laughing because I'm sweating, don't they? Thank you. This is nice. I'm going to dip this inside. It's just the scent, the flavor, the smell, everything.
Good.
Try mango lassi.
Mango क्या ना prepare देसी यार
Mango lassi.
You have mango lassi?
Yep, give us a mango lassi. You want a lassi? Lassi? Yeah. I'm trying mango lassi for the first time. Apparently it's really good, so let's see what it's like. You said lassi is milky?
Other one, mango lassi, other one. This mango lassi is your mix, is your milk.
Okay, I will try it.
Many is your fruit.
Many fruits here. That's what we're trying, guys.
And
Tissue? I'm sweating. Thank you. Sukrika? Sukriya. Oh my gosh, guys, this heat is actually something else. The heat is real. Oh my heart. Oh my heart, guys. I'm so hot. Alright, guys, so let's do a toast
check.
to Delhi.
Well,
Old Delhi.
It's your milk lassi, mango lassi.
Mango lassi. So it's a toast to Old Delhi, new friends, discovering the
nice.
world, and tasting new things all over the world. Cheers, cheers, guys. Cheers, cheers.
It's very nice.
So the verdict on the food, sorry. The food was nice. Indian food is actually really good. It's rich in flavor. The aroma, amazing. Do you cook, Umed?
Yeah.
Ah, well done. Next time you cook for me, and you invite me to your family house and we eat.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, Umed. Umed for president.
ना shopping था पुणे यानी मैं पूरा की जैसे लस्सी वस्सी छोले भटूरे छोले कुलचे
Unfortunately, all good things have to come to an end. Thank you, Umed. Thank you for showing me around, Umed. I'm so grateful. So guys, if you ever need someone to take you around New Delhi and Old Delhi, that's Umed. Shout out to Umed. Bye.